bienvenidos to my channel. Today I'm super excited for this video. Hoy es día 4 of our trip to Nicaragua. The reason I'm skipping over day 3 was we just went to the market and that's basically the only footage I have from that day, so I'm skipping over that. I will have the footage from the market in a future video. We went to Somoto Canyon, which is called Cañon de Somoto in Spanish. So it was kind of a drive up to the canyon, and then we did a hike, swam and floated down the river through a canyon, and then took a boat and hiked the rest of the way back. So it was a cool little loop, super fun. So I'm going to watch the video and narrate as we go so I can tell you what's going on, since a lot of our footage from the GoPro that we used, we cannot hear anything that we're saying. Here we go. We left Tomas's house in Chinandega at, I don't even know what time it was. It was really early in the mañana. As I mentioned in the previous video, there's a lot of cosas interesantes on the side of the streets as you drive, so just driving is an adventure in and of itself. At this place we didn't stop, but they hand make the hammocks y las venden. After a very long drive and doing my best to stay awake the whole time, we arrived. This is la entrada. We just had to quickly sign in y pagar. Empezamos.
Dos caballos en el camino, uno de rojo y un cafecito.
Ropa ya.
Sí. Hello.
Cañon de Somoto was in a town called Somoto. It's actually in the north of Nicaragua, so it's a bit cooler up there, but it's still, the water was quite nice. No estaba tan helado. Tomas first went down this little spot. It's kind of like a slide. and he went just fine. So I was like, dude, I want to try it, this will be fun. So I took the camera y me fui. But oh my goodness, I got a huge bruise on my hip because the rocks get kind of close together, so my hips kind of got caught in there and I just got slammed all over the place. And of course Tomas goes again and he's fine. This is one of the deepest parts of the river. Cuando yo salté. Really super scary, but adrenaline rush, so super fun too. But we were in the shade the entire day, so the whole loop from beginning to end was a few hours long. We were in the water for quite a long time and in shade, so I got really cold. I think you might notice here que tengo frío. We just had a little more hiking to do to finish off the loop. From Cañon de Somoto, we drove to Salto. I don't remember, I'll put it down below, or right here. Okay, so we had hiked and were in a river for the better part of the day. And then we decided to go to this waterfall. You have to hike up and down a hilly trail and then go down probably hundreds of stairs. There were a lot. My legs were rubbery at this point, but we wanted to go, so aquí bajamos. Pretty much we just stayed at the waterfall long enough para descansar, let our legs recuperate before we went right back up the stairs. As you can see, the waterfall wasn't much at the time. This is yet another place that I would love to return to because it was so just peaceful and amazing down there. Eso es todo. I hope you enjoyed this video and espero que aprendiste algo. Enjoy a little adventure and learn a little bit of Spanish. If you enjoyed this video, do give it a thumbs up. It really supports my channel and, well, you know, let me know you liked the video. Comment below if you'd like to see more o si quieres ir a Nicaragua con nosotros because my husband and I would love to bring you. Thank you for watching and I will see you next, I was gonna say Thursday, but I've changed to sábado. I'll see you next Saturday with another little adventure in Nicaragua. Hasta luego, bye! Ba-da-ba-dum-bum-bum-bum.